In this video, you will learn how to ask the court to do something by filing a motion. A motion is a written request that tells the court what you're asking for and why it should be granted. For example, if you need to change a scheduled court date, you could ask for a new court date by filing a motion to continue. In this motion, you should say the reason why you can't make the scheduled court date. Other common examples of motions are a motion for an extension of time to file a document, or a motion to vacate a default judgment. After a complaint or petition is filed and a case begins, either side in the case can file a motion with the court. You should check with the court clerk about what motion form you should use. Usually there are blank motion forms that you can fill out, but sometimes there are specific forms for specific kinds of motions. When filling out your motion, you should include the case name and number assigned to your case, a title for your motion, which is what you're asking for, basic facts about the case to help the judge in deciding your motion, exactly what you are asking for, and why the judge should agree with what you are asking for and grant your motion. You should also attach any documents that help support your motion. After you prepare your motion, you must choose a court date for it to be heard by a judge. The clerk's office can help you pick that date. Keep in mind that you must give the other side enough time to prepare for the court date. Next, file your motion with the court and notify the other side by sending the motion and a notice of motion. A notice of motion must tell the other side when, where, and which judge will hear your motion. You can mail your motion and notice of motion to the other side or give it to them personally. Finally, make sure you show up in court on the date, time, and location where your motion will be heard. You should bring an extra copy of the motion and notice of motion for the judge, as well as any other documents that might be important. Be prepared to explain what you've written in your motion to the judge, as well as answer questions about it. For more information on how to file and present a motion in court, as well as how to notify the other side that you file it, talk with a lawyer, ask your local circuit clerk's office, or visit IllinoisLegalAid.org.